Here's a reminder of the grammar that we're working with now. A type is either int, boolean arrow type, or it's this question mark type. But when we represent it, we don't have a question mark case in our type. We have int, boolean arrow as before, but now question marks get translated to type variables. So we're going to have a var t, and that type variable needs to support equivalences that are installed later. So we have a box, and it's a box of option of because we start out with a none, saying we haven't decided what type it must be equivalent to, and later we change it to a sum of another type that type variable must be equivalent to. So for example, when we encounter question mark in the parser, we're going to create a fresh type variable with var t box of none. But after it has been unified with int, then that var t would turn into var t box of sum of int. It's Unify's job to install these equivalences somewhere in the Unify implementation. When you give it a type variable for t1 and under some constraints about t2 that we'll write out more in a moment, we're going to install that equivalence with setBox on that box B using not necessarily t2, but we'll resolve t2 to get it in a simpler form if possible, and then install the equivalence. But we will have more work to do to fill out Unify completely.